Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make the viral butter swim biscuits, so let's get started with the video. First, preheat your oven to 450 degrees, then place 1 stick of unsalted butter in an 8x8 baking dish. Then place the dish in the oven so the butter will melt while the oven gets hot. Next, in a large bowl, add 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of salt. Then mix everything together until well combined. Next, use a spatula to create a well in the center of the dry ingredients. Next, add 2 cups of cold buttermilk in the center of the bowl. Then, using a spatula, fold the buttermilk and dry ingredients together until mostly combined. When you're finished, set your biscuit dough to the side. By now the butter should be melted, so go ahead and take the baking dish out of the oven. Now pour the biscuit dough into the baking dish. Then evenly spread the dough throughout the pan. Next, cut the dough into 9 equal pieces using a spatula or a knife. Now bake the biscuits in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. While the biscuits were baking, I made some honey butter real quick to brush on top of the biscuits. To make the honey butter, I just mixed together some softened butter with some honey until well combined. And when I was done making the honey butter, I set it to the side. Once the biscuits finish baking in the oven, let them rest for about 5 minutes. Then brush some butter or honey butter on top. And that's it, you're all done. And this is the finished result. These biscuits were super easy to make, way easier than making homemade biscuits. They're crispy and golden brown on top while being flaky and soft on the inside. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!